Okay, if we look at the graphs here, over here, hello, nobody's going to give me any awards for brilliant drawing or anything like that, that's for sure. But one thing you'll notice between the slide we're on and the slide just before is the shape of the graph is exactly the same. So pretend the shape of my purple line and the shape of my red line are exactly the same, which I know they're not, but they should be. What occurred actually is the purple graph just got moved 1 unit to the right. Every point just moved 1 unit to the right. So it's like I took that purple graph and I shifted it over to make the red graph. And really that is what we did. If you notice the difference between the two graphs, the purple one is, okay, f at x equals, and I gotta get my red marker here as well, the cube root of x. And then the red one, of course, is f at x equals the cube root of x minus 1. Okay, and you'll notice the only difference between those two is the minus 1 inside the root. And that actually does create what's called a horizontal shift. So exact same shape, but it's moved 1 to the right. Okay, and that leads us into something we're going to look at in the next few slides called transformations. Okay. Transformations, and I thought I'd lead into it here because we had the opportunity. Okay, so these two graphs, they're exactly the same. Ignore my poor drawing. They should be exactly the same, except this has moved 1 step, 1 unit to the right. And we get into transformations. There are many different kinds. This is a horizontal transformation.